Okay, everyone, I have a Troy built 2cycle leaf blower. It's a TB2BV EC model. What my problem was, it wouldn't start. I bought a new carburetor, a new spark plug, so I want to make a short video of what I found and what I did to fix it. So, first, the symptom was the engine started running like something was broken and it didn't stay idle. It would shut off, and then I couldn't get it started back up. So I got a new carburetor. Wouldn't start. I got spark. I got fuel. I even shoot some uh, starter fluid inside the carburetor, but it wouldn't start. I checked compression. Surprisingly, I have 90 psi compression. Still wouldn't start. So I saw a video where the guy took it apart to see what's going on, and he found out why it wouldn't start. So I decided to do it myself also, because I like this leaf blower. It's got good power, it's light, and it works really good. I think I have this thing for like 4 years now. I bought it online. So I'm gonna show you what I found. So here's the old engine. I took it apart, and I took the engine apart, and here's the piston. And what I found was the piston ring. Also, if you look at the piston, it's all scarred up. Look at that, it's all scarred up. And the bottom piston is still good, but the top piston, the ring seized up. As you can see right there, that ring, it seized up. I tried to remove it, but it broke off on me. So that's the problem why the leaf blower wouldn't start. And I also have a lot of carbon up here, but that shouldn't matter though. But what it is this piston right here, not piston ring is seized up, so that caused it not to start, and it's all scarred up. Look at that. And I'm pretty sure the housing inside here will also scarred up. I don't know why it does that. Maybe it's just too old. So what I did, I went online and I ordered the long block from Jack's Small Engine Repair. Cost me about 70 bucks because I want to save this leaf blower because I like it. So and then I put it on, got it together, and now it start up with no problem. So yeah, if your leaf blower doesn't start, most of the time it could be the carburetor. But if you replace the carburetor and then start, check the compression, also check the spark. If you have all that and it still doesn't start, it could be the engine just so worn out and you just need to replace with a new engine. So have a good night. Hope this helped.